Yo, YouTube, we back. And right here with the special edition Chrysler 300. Feel me, just washed it up a little bit. Just went to the car wash, washed it up a little bit. You know, looking nice and clean. Wiped it down and shit. Finna head over here to the motherfucking car meet. See what's popping over here. Tired of the motherfuckers. Watch this whole shebang. Ain't gonna lie, I am tired. But, you know, in that Mopar. Alright. Let's see, let's head on over there. See what they talking about. Whew. It's hot as fuck outside today. Oh, it's a one way. Damn. I gotta go down here and like turn around some shit. Skate pack right there. But I'm finna turn around. Just back the other way. Turn the air or something. Shit. It's hot as fuck. I'm tired. Just why that green light look like that? Yeah, I do need to get my brakes and rotors changed, so woo, car sounding good though. And you get like, man, I think I got a little sleep. I've been saying that. I'm gonna get that fixed. And give me some new exhaust tips. I got like 3.5 probably. I think they're like 4, 3.5. I don't know. There's some MagnaFlow exhaust tips, but I need to change them. Get some bigger exhaust tips, some black ones. Hopefully I got some cars out. Shit. The light and that Mopar 160 on the dash, big screen, Mopar in the seats, know what I'm saying? Roof back, know what I'm saying? Vented up, yo, we in the air on, cause it's hot than a motherfucker. Sport mode activated. Right here. And I do got the whips out. I got the whips up. Gang, they got the whips out though. People in the way and shit. Got some whips out, Grand Cherokee. Yeah, I got the RT right there. I got the low rider over here. My brakes squeaking hell loud. That shit embarrassing to the motherfucker. I'm trying to figure out where I should park though. Ain't nobody back up. My brakes squeak hella loud. That's irking. That's like embarrassing. But it's okay. I'm gonna go get it fixed Monday. Tomorrow. Should I park down here? I'm trying to figure out where I should park at. I don't know where I should park. Who's through here? See what I show for the park right here. Next to the Hemis. Come on, shit, worth a half a ticket. Damn, someone shit chopped. Should make sure I don't kiss the curb real fast. Back it up. So I'm worth a half a ticket. Know my location on this shit. Squeeze all up in it. There it goes. Bob at the car, see what's going on. It's hiding the motherfucker. Pop shit on a fucking light day, you hear me? Out here pop shit on a fucking light day. Out here with the whips out. That motherfucker clean, little Hemi. The SRT8 right there. Sketty pick. Yeah, kid. Yeah, kid. Rear seats type shit. A little sketty pick. Got the Mustangs out there. Sketty pick. I got the Mopar out today, don't I? RT. You got the wheels inside. Yeah, he ready to spin some shit. Oh, look at the Corvette though. You know, that's what I fuck with. Corvettes. No cap. Oh, they got the Nissan GTR. Okay. No Corvette. The route. Right where I parked though. Another RT. The RT's out. Bag cake. Okay, little bag cake. What the fuck? They got the Las Vegas Booty Patrol. I'm rolling this shit. Booty Patrol. Hell nah. With the wide body kit on it. I'm rolling. Another 392. 5.0 and shit. What the fuck they got on the street? I wanna see this motherfucker over here.
That shit has no tent, no fucking AC, nothing, right? And it's a racing in my dad.
The Slam Durango. Low Durango. Bagged. No, it's a bagged Durango. Oh yeah. Man, bagged Durango. Oh shit. Mustang. Stang gang. That motherfucker too hard. Jeez, this motherfucker too clean. Oh, pop performance.
We're at Montana, guys. In Anaconda.
So clean.
So it's not too far from you.
Got the speakers in the deck. Damn, oh hard. No cap. I should have pulled down here. I'm really finna pull my whip down here. Gang, I'm finna pull my shit down here. I'm all the way down there and shit. I'm finna get back up with y'all. Park the car over here. See what the fuck they got going on. Mustang 5.0. What's on? Got the Viper with the parachute on it. The wheels on the motherfucker. I know he got some power on this motherfucker. Again, he got a parachute and the wheels on it. He push at least 1,000 face ass. No, he push. The Lamborghini over there. Got the JD on. McLaren. The other Chrysler 300, old school. The McLaren, white green with the peanut butter interior. That whole too shitty. With the peanut butter interior. Oh shitty. Got the little Bentley 350Z. Another McLaren. Another 350Z. Got the big ass wing on the back of that motherfucker. Yeah. I got the Bentley with the body kit on it. Another Viper. You know that bitch pushing 1,000 plus. No cap. Got the bikes out here too. Ferrari, bad Ferrari. That was too shit. I ain't gonna lie.
Is there any mini bikes? This man brought the Trail 7.
Told her pop the hood, face ass. Oh, they got them whips out though. I got some cool shit. Nothing crazy. Got the Benz over here. Go look at the Benz. Whole bunch of cool shit out here. Cool little Mercedes AMG. Bi-turbo V8. Cool little. Got the Super. Mark 5 Super. Ooh, and wide body kit. Damn, this whole shit, I ain't gonna lie. That's so nice. Damn. Oh, too clean. Then they got the Infiniti out. The lowered Infinitis. Damn, they got the Corvette back here. They ducked out for here. That's what I'm trying to see. Damn. Big turbo Corvette. Got the drift Corvette. You got the angle kit on that motherfucker. Damn. Big ass turbo. I know this motherfucker push.
Nice people.
Hydraulic e-brake in there.
I don't want to risk it.
And it's a stick. Yeah, you know they be drifting these motherfuckers. Damn. That motherfucker's nasty. Damn. Oh, too hard. That motherfucker's too hard. Got the angle kit on this one too. You know that I'll be drifting them motherfuckers. Got the angle kits and shit. Me. Told them I don't work for half a ticket. I drop my location on the list. They have some lower cars out here. I didn't know they was in the lower cars out here. Yeah, I don't work that. Damn, that's super hella loud. Damn, that's super hella loud. Little sub in the back. It's hot as fuck out here. They got them whips out there. Got the Evo. Evo's hella fast. I ain't gonna stunt. Got the gutter interior. Got the TV in the back of the motherfucker. They playing the video game. Dang. That big ass out pipe. Lower cat. I got hella lower cars out here. Look at the Bentley though. They funny as hell. This Bentley funny than a motherfucker. Got the body kit on the front of that motherfucker. I got them whites out of Vipers, McLarens. I got some shit out there for sure. Old school over there, low rider. They got the GTR. I'm trying to see this GTR.
I don't know if you can register to a PO box. You can register to a
Sounds smooth. The GTR. Nissan GTR. Twin cam. I didn't know these had twin cam. Oh yeah, they do. They do. Nissan GTR. We got the on them bows. That motherfucker hella clean. Interior hella clean. Outside hella clean. Monte Carlo. This bitch just clean candy paint. That motherfucker too clean. That was too clean. No cap. Another Chrysler 300. Mopar. Hey, there's some shit out here though. No cap. They got some shit out here for the show. Buy back my car. Like that. Then they got the Hellcat. On some weed. With the wheels on it. Back over here, my whip. Said turn my nun into some. They got some shit out there. The lower gang over here, dropping bags and shit. I really want to see the Camaro. They over here dropping their bags and shit. They got all the little cars out. So I want to see a Camaro. Damn Z01. Damn, nice. Horse exhaust. I got the police on the back of that motherfucker though. Yeah, that was nice. ZL1. My dream car, right there. One of them. Either a Z06 or a ZL1. Either one. Either one. Got the Mustang. Started up. Over here. 5.0. Window tint. I think I already showed y'all this little Mopar. Whole bunch of Mopars over here. Oh, that's the giant. Yeah, bag Hellcat shit. Big ass turbo. This motherfucker nasty. Drive, they fun. That motherfucker nasty though. With the GTR. 9 pounds of my egg. Got the big ass exhaust out the back.